Dear students, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Today we will learn maths. Today we will begin with chapter number 1, number 1 to 20. Warm-up exercise. Recall the pre-number concepts. Put a tick on the aeroplane flying above the clouds and put a wrong on the aeroplane flying below the clouds. See, students, you can see here that this aeroplane flying above the cloud. So here we put right and this aeroplane flying below the cloud. So we put wrong. Who is before Fatima and who is after Fatima? Students, you can see here that Mike, Fatima and Ajit going their schools. Okay. So Ajit is first, Fatima is second and the Mike is third. So now the question is that what is before Fatima? Before Fatima means Ajit. You can see here that before Fatima, Ajit is walking. So our answer is Ajit. Who is after Fatima? After Fatima, Mike. So our answer is Mike. Put a tick on the tree that is near and put a cross on the tree that is far. Students, you can see here that this tree is far from the distance. Okay, so we put cross and this tree is near. So we put right. Put a tick on the dog inside or put a cross on the dog outside. You can see here that this is the dog house and you can see here that this dog inside the house. So we put right and this dog is sitting outside the house. So we put cross. Put a tick on the cat on the table. Put a cross on the cat under the table. You can see here that this cat under the table. Okay, so we put cross and this cat sitting on the table. So we put right. Put a tick on the book at the top. This book is the top book. So we put here right and put cross on the book at the bottom. You can see here that this yellow book is bottom book at the bottom. So we put cross. Matching. Is there an ice cream for each child? Match by drawing lines. Students, here we have to match the ice cream with the children. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is yes, because all the children can eat ice cream. Is there a flower for each butterfly? Let's match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is left. Okay, you can see here that there is one flower is less. So our answer is wrong. Means no. Has more. Question number 1. Put a tick on the set which has more. Means you can see here that there are two objects. Here you can see that the different children are there, boys and girls, and here balls. So students, we first count the objects or the person. So here I already count the 4 children are there and the 3 balls. Okay, so which has more? You can see here that the children is more as compared to the ball. So we put tick over here. Remaining question is your HW. Question number 2. Put a cross on the set which has less. You can see here that over here there are fish and the bird. There are 5 fish and 4 birds. 5 and 4. You see that the 4 is less number than the 5. So here we put cross. Okay. Students, in this exercise, first you have to count the objects or the person. Okay. Then here you have to write down the number and then you have to decide which has more or which has less. Okay. Number 1 to 9. Students, in this given space you have to trace the number or the number name, and in given space you have to rewrite the number. This is your HW. Numbers 1 to 10, exercise 1. Look at the picture and count. Students, you can see here that there are many objects or the picture. You can see here that you have to count and write the answer over here. First, how many pencils? You can see that this is a pencil. So we have to count the pencil. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. Chocolates. How many chocolates? Where is the chocolate? Yes. Let's count. 1. Only one chocolate. So we write 1. Flowers. Where is flowers? Yes, this one. 1, 2. There are 2 flowers. How many candles? Let's find the candles. Where is the candles? Yes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Students, remaining question is your HW. After between. Exercise number 2. Use the number strips to find out. Question number 1. The number after. Means in this exercise we have to write the after number. For an example, you can see here that 2 is. So students, 2 is come after 1. So our answer is 1. 3 is. 3 is come after 2. So over here we write 2. 6 is. Where is 6? 6 is come after 5. Okay, so we write 5. 1 is come after 0, not the 2. Okay, so our answer is 0. Students, remaining question is your HW. Question number 2. The number before. So here we write the before number. Okay, 7 is come before 8. Okay, 7 is come before 8. So our answer is 8. 9 is come before 10. You can see here that first 9 come and after that 10 come. Okay. 5 is come before 6. So we write 6 over here. 4 is come before 5. So our answer is 5. Remaining question is your HW. Question number 3. Filling the blanks as shown. Okay. Here we have to write before number. Before 8. What come before 8? 7. So we write 7. 10. What come before 10? 9. So we write 9. 7. What come before 7? 6. So we write 6. 5. What come before 5? 4. So our answer is 4. After number. So here we write after number. Okay. 6. What come after 6? 7. So we write 7. 3. What come after 3? 4. So we write 4. 9. After 9? 10. So over here we write 10. 5. After 5? 6. We write 6. 8. After 8? 9. So we write 9. Between numbers. Okay. Here we write the between number means the center number. Okay. Not the after number or not before number. We have to write the center number. 3 or 5. You can see here that here is 3 and here 5. What come between 3 and 5? 4. So our answer is 4. 0 or 2. Between 1. So our answer is 1. 2 or 4. Where is 2? Yes. And where is 4? Yes. So what come before 2 and 4? 3. So our answer is 3. Students, remaining question is a HW. Bigger and smaller. Count and write the number of balloons. Students, here I have already counted that Lata has 7 balloons and Karim has 5 balloons. So 7 is bigger number. Who has more balloon? 7 is bigger than 5. Means the Lata has more balloon. We say that 7 is bigger than 5. We write 7 greater than 5. This is the sign of greater than. Okay. We say that 5 is smaller than 7. We write 5 is less than 7. This is the sign of less than. You can see here that this is a sign of greater than and this one is less than. You can see here that both the sign has a big side. Okay. Big side always open on the side of big number. Over you can see here that 7 is big number than 5. And you see that the big side is always open on the side of big number. Here you also see that the big side is always open on the side of big number. Okay. So keep this thing in your mind. Exercise number 3. Count and write the number in each. then fill the greater than or less than. Okay, so first of all we have to count the object and write in the box, and then we decide which number is bigger, means greater than or the smaller than. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We write 4 over. Now tell me which number is big, 4 or 5? Yes, 5 is big, means we open the big side. Okay, big side come on the side of big number. And this one is your homework. Now you can see here that this is a crocodile, and crocodile mouth always open on the side of big number. Crocodile wants bigger number always. Okay, you can see here that 7 or 2. Here crocodile mouth always open on the side of big number. So we write greater than. 1 or 6. You can see here that the crocodile mouth open on the side of big number. Here 6 is the big number. So we make sign of less than. Okay. I hope students you understand about this. Question number 2. Use the picture to help you fill the correct sign. Greater than or less than in each box. A. 4 or 7. Which number is big? 7. So crocodile mouth open on the side of 7. 6 or 5. Which number is big? 6. So crocodile mouth open on the side of 6 because 6 is bigger. 9 or 4. Which number is big? 9. So we make a sign of greater than because 9 is bigger number. So crocodile mouth open on the side of 9 because crocodile wants bigger number. 10 or 9. Which number is big? 10. So we make less than sign. 9 or 3. Which number is big? 9. Okay. Students, remaining question is your HW. 3 ring as given. A. Ring all the numbers bigger than 2. Means in this exercise, students, you have to circle the number. Ring the number means circle the number that is bigger than 2. Okay. Bigger than 2 means after than 2. Okay. After numbers. So here 9, 4. Both are the bigger than 2. One is bigger than 2? No. 8. Yes. So we make circle. 7. Yes. We make circle. 0 is bigger than 2? No. So we don't do anything with the 0. Okay. B. Ring all the numbers smaller than 7. Smaller than 7 means before number. Before the 7 number. Okay. So what come before 7? 4, 2, 5, 6. All these number come before 7. And 9 and 10 number come after 7. And 9 and 10 bigger than 7. Okay. So 4, 2, 5 and 6. These 4 number are smaller than 7. Students, remaining question is your HW. Students, you can see here that there are 10 pencils. So we read as 10 ones. 10 ones is equal to 110. 110 means we make a group of 10 pencil or the bundle of 10 pencil. Means bundle of 10 objects. Any object is equal to 110. Over you can see that this is the pencil group. So we write 110 and one more pencil extra. So 1 1. 110 and 1 1 is 11. It is read as 11. 10 ones is equal to 110 means 10 pencil group or the bundle of 10 pencil is equal to 110. Okay, you can see here that this is a bundle of 10 pencils. So we write 110. Over here 2 pencil extra. So we write 2 ones is equal to make 1 2 12. Okay. Over here the bundle of 10 pencil. So we write 1 10 1 2 3. 3 more pencil. It make 1 3 13. Group of 10 pencil is equal to 110 and how many extra pencil? 1 2 3 4. So we write 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones is equal to 1 4 14. Bundle of pencil means 110 and how many extra? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones is equal to 1, 5, 50. 110 and how many extra pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 110 and 6 ones is equal to 1, 6, 16. Group of pencil means 110 and how many extra? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it make 110 and 7 ones is equal to 1, 7, 17. 110 and over here there are 8 pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I write 8 ones is equal 18. 110 and 8 ones is equal to 18. 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones is equal to 1, 9, 19. Students, 110 and 10 ones can be shown as 2 tens or 0 ones. Means here you can find the one bundle or one group of 10 pencil is equal to 110. And over here you find two group. Means in one group there are 10 pencil and in another group more 10 pencil. So there are 20 pencils. Okay. So 20, 20. 11 to 20. Students, in this exercise you have to trace the number and the number name and rewrite again in given space. This one is your HW. Number 4. Count the fingers, write the numbers and number name. A. Students, here we count the finger. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 fingers. So we write 1, 8, 18 and the number name of 18. EIGHTEEN 18. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 4, 14. We write the spelling of 14. Stress these two HW. For after between. Exercise number 5. Use the number strips to fill in the box. Students, here we use the number strips. Okay. First, before number. 19. What come before 19? 18. Before number means, students, we have to go left side. And in after number, we go on right side. So 19. So we go left side. So before 19, 18. So our answer is 18. 11. What come before 11? We jump on left side. 10. So our answer is 10. After number 19. 19. What come after 19? In after number I told you that we go on right side. So what come after 19? 20. So our answer is 20. 12. We jump on right side. So after 12, 13. Between number 10 or 12. What come between the 10 and 12? 11. So answer is 11. 14 and 16. Where is 14? Yes. And where is 16? Yes. So between 14 and 16, 15. So we write 15. 13 and 15. 13 and 15. What come between 13 and 15? 14. So our answer is 14. 17 and 19. We find 17. Yes. And 19. What come between 17 and 19? 18. So our answer is 18. Students, remaining question is a HW. Exercise number 6. Question number 1. Compare and fill in the box with the greater than, less than or equal to. Students, this exercise is same as exercise number 3. Okay. 8 or 15. Which number is big? 15. So we write less than. 11 or 15. Which number is big? 15. So we write less than. 11 is smaller than 15. 19 and 14. Which number is big? 19. So crocodile mouth open always on the side of bigger number. 18 and 10. Which number is big? 18. So crocodile mouth open on the big side. So we write greater than over here. Students, you can see here that both the number is same. 12, 12. So we make equal to. Okay. Remaining question is your HW. Question number 2. Ring the biggest number. One has been done for you. In this exercise, you have to find the bigger number and make a circle. A. 7, 17 and 13. Which number is big? 17. So we make circle. B. 11, 12, 13. Which number is big? Yes, 13. So we make circle. C. 20, 9 or 11. Which number is big? 20. So we make circle. Remaining question is your HW. Question number 3. Ring the smallest number. One has been done for you. 20, 12 or 14. Which number is smallest? 12. Okay, so we make circle. 18, 9 or 70. Which number is small? 9. So we make circle on 9. 15, 10 or 20. Which number is small? 10. So we make circle. Remaining question is your HW. To biggest. Exercise number 7. Write this number from smallest to biggest. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So we first write the small number. Okay. One has been done for you. 10, 8, 16. Students, which number is smallest? 8. So first we write 8. 10 and 16. Between 10 and 16, which number is small? 10. So in second box we write 10 and the left one is 16. So in the last box we write 16. 16 is the biggest number. 17, 18, 8. Which number is small? 8. So we first write 8. In 17 and 18, which number is small? 17. So we write 17. 18 is left and 18 is the biggest number. So we write in the last box. Students, the remaining question is your HW. Biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest means descending order. Students, in this exercise, we have to arrange a number from big to small. Exercise number 8. Write this number from biggest to smallest. Means big to small. One has been done for you. 12, 18, 6. Which number is big? 18. So first we write 18. 12 and 6. Which number is big? 12. So over here we write 12 and last 6 because 6 is the smallest number. 1, 11, 8. Which number is big? Yes, 11. So first we write 11. 1 and 8. Which number is big? 8. So we write 8 and 1 in the last box because 1 is the smallest number. Remaining question is your HW. Exercise number 9. Fill in the blank. Start at the top and count down. In this exercise, students, you have to write down reverse number. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So remaining question is your HW.